with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it. And you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely, guys. It's just amazing. A nice, lovely piece of lamb shoulder. And I'm going to show you how you can marinate this for Christmas. It's amazing. This piece of lamb shoulder is totally different. Basically, first of all, guys, we want to marinate it like in the Jamaican way. Basically, olive oil. Alright? That's all we need to put on it at the moment. Some olive oil. Get that olive oil all over it just like this. Really nice and beautiful. Basically, I want to simply say to you guys, I wash off my meat with some lemon juice. Some people don't wash their meat, but you know what I mean, you don't have to wash it if you don't, but I wash mine. So basically, as you can see, that's the way it look. So lovely and nice. But we want to marinate it in the Jamaican way. So basically, first of all, I want to simply say to you, I have some season, yeah, some lamb season with it. First of all, I want to simply say to you, it got some rosemary inside of it already, but we're gonna get some rosemary, and I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of it, and probably 1.5 teaspoon, just to get the flavor of it, and it just like that, guys. A lot of people love lamb. Back in the Caribbean, a lot of people do use lamb, and myself, I like my lamb. This is just like grounded garlic and ginger seasoning. Put a teaspoon of it, bring in the flavor. This one is garlic and coriander, teaspoon. And I'm using teaspoon, guys. Sometimes some people have it mixed up with spoon and teaspoon. Teaspoon is different from spoon, all right? Nice one. This one is just really nice, and I love this one, guys, to be honest. This one is a lamb seasoning, and it got also coriander also inside of it, different kind of season. Lovely. I've got some, I like to put a pinch of paprika, not too much, because you know what I mean, paprika does give it a color and a flavor, but not too much, just a teaspoon. Most people get it mugged up with teaspoon and tablespoon. This is a teaspoon, this is what I'm using. Teaspoon where you use to mix your tea with, tablespoon is on your table, alright? Some white onion, and some spring onion. At the moment, I'm using half of a white onion. Basically, I want to simply say to you guys that you can marinate your meat and get it ready for Christmas, because there's only a few days left for Christmas. I got some garlic. What I'm going to do is push the garlic down inside of it like this. But before, let's rub up this season on it. Get it all over this meat. Lovely meat. Look at this. This is just really fantastic and beautiful, guys. As you can see. Let's use a knife. Put a little piece of water right there. Simple, pop a piece of garlic down inside of it like this, just to get the flavor of the garlic. Also, remember, we got ginger in the season also. Put a piece down inside of it just like this. Really nice and beautiful. So we can find another hole to put piece more down in. Alright, here's one more. Put a piece of a garlic down in it. Lovely and nice. I will show you how to cook this. So but we just get it marinated and soak. Get it ready for Christmas, guys. Christmas is just a few days ago away, and we are marinating this lovely piece of a lamb shoulder right here. Beautiful and nice. Look at that. This is really good. Looking so lovely. Really sexy and nice. Look at it. Beautiful. Look at that meat. Really nice. So as you can see, that is really pretty. Pretty baby. Look at that. This is beautiful. So basically, as you can see, this is it right here. On the day when we're gonna roast it, we're gonna get some rosemary and some fresh thyme and rub it up on it also. But for time being now, we're gonna get it soaked and we're gonna put it back in the freezer. Get it freezing before the day of Christmas. We're gonna take it out and we're gonna cook this on Christmas Day. Lovely and nice. So guys, enjoy the recipe, and that's the way you can marinate your lamb shoulder for Christmas. Enjoy it. If any problem, leave your comments and subscribe to the channel. Use your kind of seeds the way you normally use at your home, but it's just tips and idea where you can marinate your meat, get it ready for Christmas, guys. Beautiful recipe. Basically, I'm gonna put this straight inside of this meat bag, and that's the way how me normally do my meat. All of those seasoning, chuck it straight down inside of it. Don't waste your seasoning, guys. Very important. Lovely and nice. So this is just tips and idea and what you can do. Simple. Tie this, seal it, right, laminate and the date and when you can use it. Alright? This can freeze up to a month. So if you don't want to use this, you can use it next month, which is 2016. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much.